3 awesome new iMessage features to use in iOS 26. Go to the Messages app. At the top right corner, select the 3 lines and then tap Manage Filtering. From here, you can turn on Screen Unknown Senders. If I go back to my messaging application, I'll now see in the top right corner that I have a separate area for unknown senders. To launch polls, select the plus sign on the bottom left-hand corner of your messages and select polls. From here, you can add a few choices. When I'm ready to launch my poll, I will select the blue icon here. You'll see when participants poll in. You can keep track of your poll details by selecting your finger on the poll and holding down until you receive poll details or select more. If you select more, you can delete it. By selecting poll details, you will be able to see the participants' votes. I truly hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.